Ever wonder how the microwave was invented? It started in 1945, with Percy Spencer, a radar engineer working on magnetrons for the military. One day, while standing near an active radar set, he noticed something odd. The candy bar in his pocket had melted. Curious, he tried again, this time with popcorn. It popped. Then an egg. It exploded. That's when he realized, radar waves could cook food. Spencer quickly built a metal box that contained the waves. And boom! The first microwave oven was born. What started as a military experiment turned into a kitchen revolution. So next time you nuke your leftovers, thank a melted candy bar.